this video, we cover the following topics. A watercolor block is a stack of watercolor paper that has been glued together on all sides to keep the paper stretched and flat while painting. Gently insert a palette knife, letter opener, or a similar thin, flat implement into this gap. Slide it around the edges between the top sheet and the rest of the block. The goal is to slowly and gently lift the top sheet by running the tool around all the glued edges without tearing the paper or damaging the underlying sheets. This method keeps the paper flat and prevents warping, making it ideal for achieving professional quality results in watercolor painting. This will easily release the top sheet of paper from the block, then you can paint on the. This process keeps the remaining sheets securely bound, preventing warping or buckling during painting. Unlock the secrets of watercolor with comprehensive watercolor and interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. This one-of-a-kind guide combines detailed explanations, step-by-step instructions, and over 200 embedded videos to help you master techniques and build confidence in your watercolor journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this guide has everything you need to grow as an artist. If you're ready to take your watercolor skills to the next level, you can find links to purchase comprehensive watercolor in the description below. Choosing the right watercolor supplies can feel overwhelming, but the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide has you covered. Packed with recommendations, tips, and insights, this guide helps you navigate the art supply aisle with confidence, so you can focus on creating. This free guide accompanies the book, Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.